Hey guys, today I wanted to show you how to make a simple round scrubby. You can use it for makeup removing or even as a washcloth. So this is 100% cotton yarn, and try to use not too soft one, because I think when it's harder, the yarn is harder, it gives it more cleaning effect when you're washing or removing your makeup. So let's get started. I'm using 5mm crochet hook and 100% cotton yarn, as I already said. Let's start from the magic ring, and if you are a beginner and you need a separate video, I have it also just about the magic ring. You can go back there and watch it. Okay, so this is my first chain, my first loop, and what we want to do is for the first round we want to do 8 half double crochets. First half double crochet. Okay, we want to pull through in here all 3, and then I'm going to show you one more, yarn over, and then pull through again all 3 of them. And try not to crochet too tight, because you wanna your scrubby look nice and flat and even at the end. Also, what I'm doing is, as you noticed, I'm also as I go, I'm covering the tail, so at the end we are able to trim it. Continue doing this, and at the end of this round you should have 8 half double crochets total, and I'm gonna meet you there. We are at the end of round 1, and that's what you got: 8 stitches, 2, 4, 6, 8. I'm just double checking. And what you want to do now is pull the tail so you get that round. And what they do usually is, in the first stitch they usually do a slip stitch. I'm not gonna do that, it's just my preference. I'm gonna just continue doing my work, and I'm gonna jump into the second round right away. So we want to do 2 half double crochets in each stitch. That means that at the end of the round 2 we should have total of 16 stitches. So let's start from the first one, and then we want to, okay, and pull through the 3 of them. And again, in the same stitch we want to do half double crochet, another one, so 2 in each stitch. One more time. So I'm going to the second stitch now, so half double crochet, 1, and another half double crochet, 2. Okay, so continue doing this, and at the end of the round 2 you should have 16 stitches total. We are at the end of round 2, and let's make sure that we have 16 stitches. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 looks correct. And what I'm going to do again is to just start my next round. If you want to, you can always do a slip stitch and then do chain 1 and start your next round. In the round 3 we are doing 1 half double crochet in the first stitch, okay, and then 2 half double crochets in the next one. So that's how the round 3 is going to look like. And at the end of this round you should have 24 stitches total. So we are at the end of round 3, and make sure at this point that you have 24 stitches all around. And let's start from the round 4. This will be our last round. Okay, so yarn over, and we're gonna do 1 half double crochet in next 2 stitches, so another 1 half double crochet in the second one, and then we want to do 2 half double crochets in the third one. So fourth round is 2 half double crochets into next 2 stitches and 2 half double crochets in the third one. And at the end of this round you should have total of 32 stitches. And if your scrubby is not coming out flat, you may want to go back and start over somewhere that you started doing it too tight, the crocheting. At our final touch, and this is the end of round 4. If you want to keep going, if this is something that looks fairly small to you and you want to do another row, then for another row I would suggest doing 3 half double crochets in the next 3 stitches, and then in the fourth one 2 half double crochets, and just keep going like then for the next one I would do 4 half double crochets in the next 4 stitches, and in the 5th one I would do 2 half double crochets. Just keep going till you get your desired size of this round scrubby. At this point I'm going to end, and finally here I'm doing a slip stitch just to finalize my scrubby. And you can do another one as well, and then just pull this through. And then here for the final tweaks I would use just scissors and just trim it off, like leave the yarn space so you could actually use the needle, and then just pull your yarn through the needle. And make sure when you're securing your scrubby you are going like different directions with the needle, because you want it to be secure enough, since this is reusable cotton scrubby and you want to be able to wash it as well. And also this is a eco-friendly scrubby. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel not to miss my next videos. And thank you for watching.